Hello friends, are facing this type of issue. User profile service failed the sign-in. User profile cannot be loaded. Are you worried how to fix this issue? Then just follow the steps. I will fix this issue very easily. Okay. If you are facing this issue, for the first method, what you have to do is you start menu and restart your computer and try login again. Okay, if the problem keeps remain, then after what you have to do is go to start menu and click the power button and hold the shift key. Okay, and restart your PC. Then after you will find out this option in your PC. Click the troubleshoot and go to the advanced option, and here you can find out startup setting. Just click the startup setting, and from that we have to boot our PC in the safe mode. Just click the restart. Our computer is restarting now. Now hit the 4 key, number 4 from the keyboard to enable the safe mode. Sometimes booting your computer in safe mode also fix this issue. Okay, so that we are going to the first step to boot in the safe mode. Now enter the password. Then after go to the start menu. For the first time you have to just restart your PC. After restart your computer, then after your PC will be boot in the normal mode and check your problem fixed or not. If problem keeps remain, then after again boot in the safe mode and then right click and click run and type lvsrmgr.msc for the second option. And here we have to create a new user here. Right click and create new user and type your username here. I'm going to type here test, and uncheck that user must change local password. I will tick there user cannot change password, and this password never expires also. Let's create that, and that after creating a new user in the PC, and after just what I have to do is restart the PC and check your problem fixed or not in the normal mode. Okay guys, if problem keeps remain, then after try with another solution. If the problem keeps remain, then after hold the shift key and restart our PC to reboot our PC in safe mode. Go to troubleshoot and go to advanced option. Here go to the startup setting, and then after just restart and hit the number 4 to enter the safe mode. After going safe mode, then after what you have to do is go to the start menu and then type there the cmd command prompt and right click and run as administrator in safe mode. Okay, we are performing these tasks in the safe mode, and after first command is we have to scan our drives, systems, files from PC sfc/scannow. You'll find out the link in the description box also. Okay, try with the first, then after completing the first, then I have to go to the second command. Okay, just copy the command from the command prompt, then after just paste there and hit enter and wait until the command prompt is completed. Okay, then after completion of this command, okay, then after what you have to do is just you have to restart your PC and check your problem fixed or not. Okay, if not, go to another solution guide. The next solution is again go to this option and go to advanced setting and go to the system restore at this time. And if you have a backup of your system, then you can just reload that system backup file in your PC and the problem will be fixed. Okay, then after enter the password of a user here to access the system restore, click next, and then after starting system restore, click the next option here, and here is my backup system restore. Just click that one and click next, and after click the finish. Then after your system restore operation will be the start in a PC, and this may take about 1.5 hours to complete the total system restore. Hence you can fix this issue very easily, guys. If your problem fixed, then let me know in the comment box. If not, then also let me know in the comment box, and after I will guide you how to fix the issue. Okay, thanks for watching. Do not forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.